This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Start playback of the show or movie now so settings apply to the active stream. Once the player appears, press the on-screen audio/subtitle icon or use your remote's menu button. Make sure the device is connected to the internet and that you're using the Prime Video app, not a browser extension, because app controls expose language and audio tracks. While the video plays, look for audio or a language list. That's where you'll make the change. Once you open audio, scan the available tracks and pick the one you want. Alternate language 5. 1 surround, stereo, or audio description. You select it so Prime switches streams. This may trigger a short buffer while the player loads the chosen audio track. If it's a mobile device, tap to confirm. On a TV, press Enter/OK. Make sure the app isn't forcing captions-only mode and that your device's output supports the selected audio format, because incompatible outputs will fall back to stereo. Now verify the audio switched by listening for the new language or the audio description voice. Rewind a few seconds to confirm sync. If nothing changed, close and reopen the Prime app, select the track again, and ensure your device's audio output, TV speakers, AVR, soundbar via HDMI/ARC supports the format you picked. If problems persist, try a different device or sign out/in. Key troubleshooting. If a track is missing, it may be unavailable for that region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.